On the surface, I'm a name on a list. I try to be discreet.